Turn on the screen, we're smiling so bright. Little treasures glowing.
Today we will be exploring the world of mathematics using basic subtraction and additions. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's start off with addition. This is combining two or more numbers together to get a new total. The symbol used in addition problems looks like a cross and is called a plus sign. The total for addition is called the sum. Other common words used in addition problems are add, plus, or combine. Let's look at some examples. Jane bought 5 apples and her brother Kevin bought 1 more apple. How many apples do they have in all? Mathematically, this problem looks like 5 plus 1 equals 6. Example number 2. Abigail has 3 mangoes and she brought 5 more mangoes. How many mangoes do she have in all? 3 plus 5 equal 8. Now let's dive in subtraction. Subtraction is taking away a number or amount from another number. The symbol used in subtraction is called a minus sign. The answer for subtraction is called the difference. Let's look at some examples. Kimberly has 3 candies and her friend asks for one of her candy. How many candies Kimberly had left? Mathematically, this problem looks like 3 minus 1 equal 2. Example number 2. Harry has 6 bananas and he gives 3 bananas to Jim. How many bananas are left with him? 6 minus 3 equal 3.